Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can convert your notepad to PDF. Usually nowadays you can find lots of online tools, but if you are working on some sensitive data and don't want to upload it to online platforms, then you can follow this simple trick. So to do so, you have to open your notepad. For example, I have this notepad here. I will open it, and then here I will go to File, click on Print, and here I will select this one, Microsoft Print to PDF. If you have printer, it will be by default selected to the printer, but since we are converting it to PDF, you have to click on these options, Microsoft Print to PDF. Click here and just click print. It won't print, but it will give you locations where you want to save. So for example, I want to save it in my desktop. So I have uh, selected that location and given it a name, and I will say save, and it will save the document. So if I double click this, as you can see, my notepad is converted to PDF. So this is one way you can convert it. And there is another way, that is by using the Word. First, you have to open your Word, Microsoft Word, and then click on Open, and then go to the location where you have saved the file. Mine one is in here, and I think it's only showing docs. So click here, All Files, and then this is the my notepad. I will open it. I will click OK, and then I will come here, save as. I will select desktop, and here instead of txt I will select PDF. So where is it? Yeah, this one. And then I will just click save, and here you can see the PDF is generated. And these are the two ways with which you can convert your notepad to PDF. First one is very easy. The second options you can try if the first one doesn't work for you. And that's all. Thank you.